However, of course, you may have issues around just sheer volume of logs. So even though I've zoomed in on only a few minutes, I have 11,000 documents. It's very difficult to understand what's going on there. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to look at the errors in this time span. Now, 57 is not that many, but it's still a bit difficult to actually see what's going on. So what you can do is you can switch over to the templates view. Now, what do templates mean? Templates are using machine learning to cluster your similar logs together so that you can see which logs are responsible. For example, I have just used the metrics to zoom in on a strange load time variance. I've seen that there are some errors, and then I've used templates to see, well, what are the most common errors? And I can see that 70% of the occurrences were generated by this particular issue. It's actually a security rated log. And then further 12%, they were generated by this data. And what I can do is I can hit on the occurrences graph, and I can see, well, this is the normal amount of this type of log that one expects. And look at this massive jump that completely deviates away from the data. So you can see how we're using all the different logging features here to bring to focus in on a single problem. And likewise, of course, we can explore a given value. So for example, I may want to have a look at IP address. What this allows me to do is look at all the different requests that have come from different IP addresses over the past couple of minutes. This is the power of Loggregation. It just shows you the variance within the templates, and it'll show you which is the most common error, which is the second most common error, and so on. It's a really, really nice, really clean, really powerful way of analyzing your data without having to do too many different sophisticated things.